and research recently, especially the security topic. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Tung. Yeah, do you still have time for question and answer session? Just a few minutes.
Yeah, we have a session really.
Yeah.
Maybe you can. I don't know.
So there is
Taiwan
one
is
already
12
question.
o'clock. You are 12 o'clock, right? Okay.
Yeah.
You can
So
list the question. Maybe I can answer or not,
yeah, the
or you
first one
can.
is on the message box. Can you read it? From Brahmanda.
I can. Brown document.
I
Yeah,
can just read
I would
it
like
for
to ask.
you.
Yeah, I can. Necessary. 5G and considering would not sufficient more. Yes. Uh, as I know, the many IoT combine only with the 2.5G, not leverage the 3G. It's one kind of the problem to the cost because we leverage this teeny machine, right? So it's cost very low. We want to low cost. Nowadays there are another branch by the NB-IoT, right? As you know, the narrowband IoT. So mandatory to the 6G, we will keep watch the NB-IoT, the narrowband. So the cost will not for all this specification. Yeah. 5G is the smart protocol. So they are one pass by mass device. So they 5G technology or B5G will support many devices. So it's controlled by the mass device because the uplink made by the 10 IoT or the 1,000 or 10K. So you need to control as many the IoT. So efficiency is one kind of issue to the NB-IoT. So the mass device is a key feature to 5G and also to V5G or the 6G, no problem. But it's more complex, right? Because your user is many as many, not only user, normal user, but the device. You can have the 100 because you can 10K or the 100. No problem. But the controller, how to scheduling, how to yes, the scheduling is key issue. So it's one kind of feature NB-IoT by the mesh device. No problem.
Okay.
Latency.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Tong. So a very good question from Brahmanda. I think IoT means that everything is in the more scale version of the IoT and machine learning. So yeah, 5G it is more preferred, I think, in this proposed technology. Other question from Indra. Yes, Indra, you have one question for Dr. Tung, please.
Thank you very much for time, Mr. Windu, Mr. Tung, and allow me to send you my question, my point question. Okay. Let me introduce myself. My name is Putwindra Mardika. I'm from Informatic Education Studies Program. So I would like to ask a few questions regarding the courses material, specific about the fusion of 6G AI and IoT, smart or intelligent connectivity of AI and tiny machine learning. I'm very interested to in the concept of integration between 6G AI and IoT, but I still feel unclear about how the three technologies can interact and support each other in creating smarter connectivity. Additionally, I would like to know more about the real world application of the technology in everyday life. For instance, how can 6G enhance the efficiency of IoT device? And what role does AI play in analyzing the data generated by this device? Lastly, I'm also curious about the challenge that might be faced in the implementing this technology. Are there any obstacle we should be aware of, particularly regarding data security and interoperability between devices? So thank you very much for your attention, Mr. Yi Chitung and Mr. Windu Kesiman. And thank you very much for your attention. I greatly appreciate the explanation and guidelines provided. Thank you.
Thank you, Indra, for your little bit long questions, but I think Dr. Tung can capture the question.
Yeah, it's good question. It's our question also, but I can share the new algorithm I study by. You can search the AI for is embedded system or the tiny machine learning or other the because the IoT devices, for example, the MCU, the MCU power consumption or computing power is more and more fancy, right? So we can how to say it? Yeah, this question is also to me also too interesting. We can watch the 6G to support the device the teeny device such as the IoT, IoT. So we can study many connection problem. If we have the 10 device or the 1,000 or 10K brand, what's going on? Yeah, it's good question. Everybody study here, but we can make separate the big problem. Yeah, you list the big problem. We may separate down. For example, the orange give us the one idea to support. We can separate the question to many part. Maybe the some question we can leverage the cloud computing. Some problem we can by edge computing, right? Why we need to this MCU support the AI because we want did something real time or without the real time uh, or the real time operating system problem. Or if you don't care the latency, you can by the cloud computing, right? So separate the behavior by orange, you can separate the problem to many parts to figure out what you can do. Yeah, this problem also to me, you can yeah, I show the figure let the PowerPoint, but you can separate your problem to which one? I find the figure, the circle, the three circle. I am choosing not here. Yeah. I show the problem. It's fine. I will show the reference because what kind of application you want to know the yeah you said what the application so different application maybe different limitation or different application with a different requirement. We name it the QoS because I major in the QoS, so you can list what kind of QoS. You can leverage the different the idea to face this problem. Yeah, your problem is to us the same. Thank you, your problem. Let me know. Yeah, we are interested in that. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Dr. Tung. So in resume for the answer for Indra, it is still a research problem also for the team from Dr. Tung about all the challenges and limitation of the system that they try to build. But in any cases, in general, it will be really depend on the application that you want to build. So each different application will have some limitation on some part of all the devices proposed by Dr. Tung. I think that's the answer for that. I will invite one more question, maybe if some of you, the students here or the lecturers, they are on the room, have another question from Dr. Tung. Okay, so while waiting the last question, maybe I would like just to inform you
Yeah,
that Dr.
the last question. Applicant to the smartphone.
Okay,
Team
Diani,
member
yeah.
that include. Yeah, to the smartphone, I can give you one the keyword by FWA. It's one kind of the fixed the wireless access point. So even this access point is not mobility, but it can embed some fancy control such as ROS or ROS2. Maybe often we will share this topic until the last the event. Okay, so to the smartphone technology, we just enhance the new technology as the last question. Why we need the 5G? Why we need the 6G? Yes, there are many people still leverage the 2.5G or 3G technology to the IoT. We don't need the 5G. We don't need the 6G. But from the control view or the administrator, you need the control all the device. So you need maybe the application. To the smart city, there are very diversity potential application to leverage the smartphone. Yeah, the vision is the first idea to people or to researcher or to the government. Maybe they need to leverage the device to take care of everything. So it's directly related to the IoT. No problem. Yes. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Diani, for the question. Yeah, of course, it will be very applicable on some part of rural villages. Dr. Tung just presented that they're trying to implement it first in the campus area, but I think it will be applicable for any other area for testing. Okay, so I think that's enough for the question with Dr. Tung. And if it is possible, Dr. Tung, if you agree, could you please send us your PPT so I can share it to my student if it is allowed for your research lab. We would like to happy to have your PPT for today's session. And the other information that actually this is only the first part of the session from MCUT, and it will be continued to the next part in June. Will be presented by Mr. Anton, and maybe some of you already know that Mr. Anton is now doing the PhD program under Dr. Tung supervision, and Mr. Anton is one of your previous classmate. He is the alumni from Prodi PTI that are getting his master in fast track program and then now continuing his doctoral degree under Dr. Tung supervision. So maybe one of you will be interested in apply the MCUT fast track program until
No
master.
problem. No
Yes,
problem.
yeah.
Yeah,
Dr.
yeah,
Tung
yeah,
will
yeah.
be ready to have you there, like Anton.
Yeah. Now, this question or other question you can list and send to Arton. Arton will give me. We make yeah. We will update the PowerPoint to you and the question or with the answer or not. I guess Arton will try his best to share his knowledge or his research, so we can open the lab. You can visit Taiwan, even it's just 6 hours. Okay, welcome to visit us. Or one day I will go to the Bali to visit you. Or I hope we can have the good exchange or any research result. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Tong. We'll be very happy to have you here in Bali if you come
Yeah.
directly to our
Yeah,
university.
thank you.
Yeah. Thank you
Thank
very
you,
much,
thank
Dr.
you,
Tong.
thank
See
you, thank you.
you. Bye
Yeah, thank
bye.
you.
Thank you,
Bye bye, bye
everyone.
bye. Yeah, bye bye, bye
Bye.
bye. I will disconnect. Bye bye, bye bye. Thank you very much,
Bye.
everybody.